How to play Roblox VR with your phone. Let's get started. Launch your Roblox app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now, at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Here towards these three dots. Now over here, you're gonna find different options. Go to this option of settings. In this page, you will be able to find different options, but you won't find the option of Roblox VR. Likewise, close this. Launch your App Store or Play Store. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Roblox VR. You won't find any app related to Roblox VR, cause as if right now there is no such option to play Roblox VR with your phone. You are only able to use Roblox VR with your PC. So if you wanna play Roblox VR, you have to use the PC version. As right now this feature is not available in the phones, but if in the future Roblox comes up with this kind of feature, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. I hope now you guys are clear if you can play Roblox VR with your phone or not. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.